Positive Affirmation Secrets. Hi. Have you been feeling down lately? Like your mind wants to work, but you don't have the strength to move? And do you feel that you don't have the motivation to do anything anymore? Don't worry, it happens to most of us. All you need is to think about a moment, and think of the things that you want to see, or love to do. You might feel silly doing this, but how are you going to get yourself out of that slump, and get back up? Sometimes, you will lose the excitement in your life and you just want to stagnate in one place. It is really hard to move forward when you are not motivated. You need to know what you want. What are your goals? What do you want to achieve by the end of the year? But the question is, how do you stay committed enough to achieve your goals? Most people start with a New Year's resolution that lasts less than a month. How do you keep motivating and pushing yourself to go the extra mile? You will find the answer with affirmations. What are affirmations? Affirmations are positive statements that can help you condition your train of thoughts. And you will begin to think more positively. It can help you change your negative thoughts, or give you the push you need to achieve your goals. Why should you use affirmations? Affirmations will help you do the following. Develop a more positive outlook on life. It's one of the best way to take direct control of your mind. And be more positive, even in the face of adversity and challenges. Achieve your goals. No matter what the goal is, it will always keep crumbling down, if you don't remind and push yourself. Affirmations will help you keep track of what's important, and make sure you don't get distracted from your goals. Get rid of your bad habits. Thinking of quitting a bad habit? There's nothing better than your own voice and mind, to remind yourself on a daily basis. It's like giving yourself a pep talk. Introducing Positive Affirmation Secrets video course. What you will learn in this course. Video number 1, How Affirmations Change Your Life. Find out how the daily practice of affirmations will change the way you live your life. Video number 2, Visualizing What You Want. How to imagine exactly what you want out of life and see it become a reality. Video number 3, Writing Your Affirmations Script. How to write a motivating affirmation that will give you the extra push that you need. Video number 4, Engaging Your Affirmations in a visual, auditory, physical and emotional way. How to use the affirmation by engaging all 3 of your senses for maximum effect. Video number 5, Guidelines for Writing Affirmations, Present Tense, Positive, Personal and Specific. Find out the correct way to create a powerful affirmation that will vibrate through your being and motivate you to go on. Video number 6 is a bonus upon instant access. And much, much more. Your life-changing affirmations are waiting for you. Imagine. If you are able to focus on your goals, and keep yourself highly motivated, without depending on any external motivation or coach. What kind of things will you be able to achieve in the next 5 years, with this kind of mindset? Having the life you've always wanted, the house by the beach, and the sports car you see in movies, and the love of your life. How far are you willing to go to achieve all those things? The best part about it is, you don't need to go to an expensive seminar, or hire a personal trainer, or a coach to push you. All you need is yourself, and a couple of minutes a day, to pep talk to yourself. And you can do all of the above, starting in the next few hours. Wow, that's awesome. So how much is it? There's no one that can change the way you are but yourself. We all have our bad days, where we just lose track of our dreams, and tend to get lazy and procrastinate. How much would it cost, if you don't achieve your dreams? The last thing you want to do, is to live with regret, for the rest of your life, because you didn't try hard enough. Think about it. You can start doing this today, and change yourself step by step. Have you reached your true potential? How do you see yourself, 5 years or 10 years from now? Your future totally depends on the choices you make now. Even if you learn only one idea from this course and actually implement it, it's going to make a huge difference in you. And that's not all. Your purchase is backed by my 100% satisfaction guarantee. So here's the deal. For the next 30 days, you can check out the videos and test drive what you've learned. Promise me one thing, you put to action what you've just learned in the next 30 days. It's fast and easy to implement. You have my guarantee on that. If you don't like the results after taking action based on my information, or you feel this is not what you've been looking for, then promptly contact me to ask for a refund on this purchase. You have absolutely nothing to lose. If you're serious about your life and don't want to give up on your dreams, don't procrastinate, because you will have to live with the choices you make today. And for only $17, you will learn how to use positive affirmations to transform your life drastically day by day, starting today. You will go through the process of purchasing my course online, via the secure server, and after successful authentication, you can download this course instantly. Click the button below for instant access at only $17, instead of $77. Enroll now. Picture this, 1 year from now, you have totally transformed yourself. You're more confident, you have your own business up and running, your friends and family love to have you around, and you're about to marry the girl or boy of your dreams. It all started with one thing, your mind and the words you fed it every day, your affirmations. So take action now and get your copy today. Note: this course could be free for you, if you purchase any of my other courses below. You can check them out on the dashboard. You can check these other courses out first, if you wish, to enable you get positive affirmation secrets for free. Otherwise, just click on the Enroll button below to get started on the Positive Affirmation Secrets course. And for just $17, you are getting this course for a real bargain. Take action now to start the journey to the exciting new you. Enroll now. See you there.